Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiana and I do a lot of sewing and fashion videos. And today I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes for the photo shoot and photo editing for my 26th birthday dress. I usually don't do videos like this. Usually you just see me like making the dress and then the final professional photos. But today I'm gonna show you the set building, the photo shooting, and my photo editing with all the different software I use. Oh, also by the way, there is a pattern for this corset out on Etsy. I'll link the tutorial on the top of the screen and the pattern down below. But if you've been following along, then you know that this is a love letters corset. Here are my cute little handwritten love letters on the corset, which that idea came from this mood board that I created. So from this mood board, you can see a lot of like antique-y, Frenchy, princess fantasy type things. So that's what I want to emulate with the set. So I've already messaged some people on Facebook Marketplace. I'm also going to go to a bunch of thrift stores to try and find things that like go with this vibe. And then obviously it's a love letters corset. I got to be writing a love letter. So I'm going to go to Michael's, see if I can get like a feathery fountain pen or something. Also like maybe like wax for like a wax seal in an envelope. But yeah, I hope you guys like today's video, something a little different. Let's go drive around town and find things for the photo shoot set. Hello, I come to you from the ground of my bedroom. Please ignore my Uggs over here. Oh, hi. Oh, hello, welcome. Do you want to say hello? Come here, hutch. Ah, yes, okay. So this ended up turning from like photo shoot only props to, you know what? I love this theme so much. Why don't I also just buy things to, one, yes, act as props, but two, to redecorate my bedroom. Because my bedroom right now, nothing is decorated. It's all white, super bland, no decor on the walls. I'm like never in here, so I've just been waiting to redo it when I found a proper theme, which I feel like I have. So from HomeGoods, I got this stool in the exact color I want to accent my bedroom. Gorgeous. And then I got some tulips. I already had this basket and I just thought I'd put it in here for the photo shoot. Maybe like frolic around with a little flower basket. This I got from Facebook Marketplace. It's just a little box. Not really little, it's kind of huge. But I'm definitely gonna use this as a prop for the photo shoot. And then for my bedroom, I'm gonna style it to like hold all of my electronics because I have like my Nintendo Switch in here, Xbox games, everything. I also don't even play video games. I've played them like 3 times. This I got from the thrift store. I think I could potentially use it for some like fun frame photos, but that could also like be really cringy. And so we'll try it, it might not work. And then a bunch of just honestly frames for my bedroom. These are all thrifted and then these are HomeGoods. I could not resist on these because it has that blue accent color that I want in my bedroom now. This has turned into a bedroom makeover video. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I was out, I was in the mindset, I said, let me just buy another one. Yeah, no, I'm getting a little hyped to redo my bedroom. Anyway, so, but I did not find parchment paper, which I need to write the love letters, and I did not find like a feather fountain pen, so I ordered those on Amazon. From Michael's, I got like wax and envelopes. You saw that though. That's what I got. I'll see you on photo shoot day. Good morning. It is the photo shoot day. Right now, here's our set. Ta-da! Just kidding. We have to make the whole set right now. So we're gonna put up a backdrop. I think Bellarino is gonna set it up for me. Hello.
Did you salute?
I don't know why I did that. I felt like you were the boss.
Because I am.
Oh, okay. I hereby leave Bella in charge of the sets while I do my makeup. Do you accept the challenge?
Yes. It's you and me now.
I finished getting ready. I hope the girls were well behaved with you guys. It looks good. Look, they set out a little floral thing for me first. Fake tulips. Oh, I think I'll just keep them in here forever. They look good. They look good. I'll put them in my bedroom like this. Okay, so we're set up. I mean, like we have shots we want, but I don't know like what order. So we're just gonna start taking some photos and we're gonna see what happens. So let's go take some pictures. All right, that wraps up a successful photo shoot. Last but not least is to edit the photos. And I want to show you guys how I take photos from this to this, or this to this. We took about 500 photos, and after sorting through all of them, I have about 40 different favorites. I'm basically just gonna use 3 apps. The first one, I can't believe I still use this app, but you guys, I use VSCO. I use VSCO for the lighting. I should use Adobe Lightroom because I literally have it because I have a full Adobe Suite subscription. But girl, I just never changed from when I was 12 years old using VSCO. So I use my VSCO preset that I made once upon a time, and I just copy and paste it onto everything. That's number 1. 2, I use Photoshop to extend the background. And 3, I use Procreate if I want to do fun little doodles. So let me bring you in and show you how I do it. So first I'm going to open VSCO. You can see I did in fact use this to edit the photos. Okay, let's work on this one. So you can see the before and after. This photo is not actually changed that much, but I always like to edit my photo colors just because it like tones the photo really nicely. So let me show you what I do. So I use the C8 filter at around plus 3.8, 4-ish. The exposure I will always change per photo. I don't really like anything too overexposed or underexposed. I want it to look just right, so it always changes per photo. Sorry guys, the next 10 seconds were like super staticky, so you're stuck with my voiceover. Anyways, I always turn up the contrast just to around 0.9 or 1. I bump up the saturation slightly. I keep it on 0.4. I always bump up the highlights a little bit and then the shadows a little bit just till it looks right. Static over. I don't know what happened to the sound, but I'll hand you back off to the other Kiana. And then I have the vignette at 3.2. It honestly doesn't do much this low, but I just like to darken the edges very slightly. White balance also changes per photo. I don't like it too warm or too cold. I turn the fade up to 1.2. And then lastly, this is really important for me. I tend to turn orange in photographs, so I always turn the saturation down on the orange. Otherwise, it would be like, I kind of look like Oompa Loompa like. And then I'm done. That's all you gotta do to edit the lighting. Okay, the next app I bring it into is Photoshop. And for this photo, I really want to expand the background. So I just make the canvas a little bit larger. I want it to look like I'm in a huge photo studio. Oh my gosh. Where did she take those photos? Did she rent out a studio? You know, it needs to look large. So first, I make the canvas big. Second, I use the marquee tool, the rectangle, and I just select wherever there is no background. And I use content aware fill. And it's pretty good, but it doesn't always do it 100%. So like right here where the skirt is, there's a floating piece of fabric right there. I'm just gonna use the clone stamp and get rid of this. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use the app Procreate to add the cute little doodles. So you can see here, I tried a bunch of different love letters text before finally settling on this. And so for this, I literally don't know how to pronounce this word. I'm not gonna try, but this is the brush I used. And then I just do my little doodles, love letters. Ta-da! Then I export it, post it on Instagram, and then you see it. Hooray! So to make it like exciting to show you all the photos that I took for YouTube, I'll still take some videos, but like to make this viewing experience more exciting for you, I guess I'll put it together in a fun little montage and edit it to music. So please enjoy that right now. is the video. I hope you guys liked this little short and sweet video. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes, some things you guys never really get to see. But yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you want to see as your next project. Wedding guest dress season is coming up, so I think I want to do that, but I'm not sure. Anyways, if you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!